Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code and Chill. Today we will learn how you can install different external modules using pip as a Python tool in your own system. So let's start. So first of all, you must download and install Python from its main website, which is Python. Let me just show you. So python.org. From here you must have picked the latest one and downloaded for your own system like Mac or Windows or Linux. Then after installing the Python module, then you must be having the default Python path for it. So if you want to externally install different packages and modules in Python, you can do that using pip tool. So this is a command pip install and module name. For example, I am taking this module PyInput 1.7.6. So the command is pip install PyInput. So how you can install it? First of all, you need to have the Python path for it. So just type IDLE, which is the default IDE for Python development. This is IDLE shell. So here you can see we need to get the path where your Python current folder is present. So if you go to open, so here you can see a pop-up box opened where it contains your local files and all. So from here you can get the path. As you can see, by clicking over here in the link, you get the whole path. This is my path. So let me just copy it. And I got the path using the IDLE. Now we have to go to command prompt. So here's the command prompt. You need to cd to that specific location, cd and paste that link to Python 30. I have Python 39 3.9. You can have Python 10, Python 8, Python 6, 3.6. So let's go to that path using cd change directory. After that we are in the Python 39 folder. So we need to go further inside using cd Python scripts. We need to go inside the scripts. Now we are inside the scripts folder. Here you can use the pip install. So for that, this pip install, copy this file, copy this command and paste it over here. Yes, it didn't copy. Yeah. So once I have already installed by input, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. But once you select, once you put the command over here and enter select, then you will see the downloading option over here, and this will install your required module. If you want to install different modules like matplotlib or scikit-learn or anything, then pyinput, then you can do so using this pip install, and you need to come to scripts folder to do that. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like to my channel, and thank you.